my name is Ritik Reddy. I am from 4th class. Today I am going to tell you about National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February every year. It is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect. Dr. C.V. Raman was born on 7th November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Chandrasekhar Iyer and mother's name was Parvati Ammal. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics at Presidency College in Madras. So it was natural that Raman developed interest for this subject. He declared on February 28, 1928 that he invented the Raman effect. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for this important discovery. He was also awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India, in 1954. The Raman effect states that when a wave of light comes out of a liquid, some part of this light wave is scattered in a direction that is different from the direction of the incoming light. Now I am going to show you the scattering of light practically, the discovery of Raman effect. To do this experiment, we need 2 glass bottles with water, 1 slate, a few drops of milk and a laser pointer. Take pure water in one bottle and in another bottle take pure water and add few drops of milk and stir it. Now take a laser pointer and focus the light on 2 bottles. The light beam shows the existence of light rays. The light beam not seen in clean water but clearly seen in milk water. The light rays hits the tiny particles of milk and get scattered. This is called the scattering of light, the discovery of Raman effect. The first National Science Day was celebrated on February 28, 1987. Science teaches how things work, and it is important to know advances in life such as technology and medicines. Science and technology associated with modernity, and it is an essential tool for rapid development. The basic purpose of this day is to inspire students to conduct new experiments, attract them towards science, and to make aware of science. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.